Hi guys, this is Mary from the Mary and Joe channel, and today is a really good day for sitting outside in the yard. The wind is blowing and it's time for my 2 o'clock snack.
Y'all know who that is.
Joe Clyde watching people feed the fish at the park, at the gazebo. Okay, so I decided to sit outside and just be, I guess. I'm having a snack and just sitting and listening at the wind blow. And if you just listen. We haven't had a chance to really clean up the yard. We've had so much rain and so many tornado warnings. And I just decided, well, Joe Clyde had been washing the car, and I was going to come out here and sit in the swing and just wait for him to finish. But when I came out, he was pulling the car in. So that's it. It's so pleasant to sit out here and listen to the wind and get some rest and relaxation. Can you hear it? We've had so many rainy days in the past week. And gloomy days, so it's beautiful today. Just sit here and listen to the wind blow. And look at the sky, the clear sky, and just swing. Okay, I finished my sandwich, and as I told you, this is my 2 o'clock break. And so this is my snack to go with the sandwich. I'm supposed to eat 4 or 5 meals a day. And it's actually a good snack. It's Dippin Stix 100 calorie snack. Sweet Gala apples and caramel. So it's got this warning: contains milk, traces of almonds, cashews, peanuts, eggs, wheat and soy. But I have been eating these for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and even though I have the nut allergy, they don't bother me. So I guess they don't contaminate these packages with the nuts. So it's a good 100 calorie snack, y'all. So I'm just swinging and eating my snack. These apples are really good. You just dip them in a little bit of the caramel and just It's good for a day that you don't know why. You don't want to do anything else. You just want to just relax and just do nothing. And for this little 2 o'clock snack, I am drinking water. And it's a small bottle, 8 ounce. So, I think I'm treating myself good today. Just having a 100 calorie snack. And that sandwich was roasted turkey on wheat bread with a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm trying to stick to my diabetic diet. So this is my afternoon snack time, y'all. So my snack time didn't work out for looking at Joe for washing the car, but I did eat my snack out here in the yard while I was swinging. And I'm gonna have to say, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.